Okay, I'm just gonna make a quick video for the update because I've made a bit of a milestone in the development. So last time I mentioned that I was going to be replacing the traces with grid positions, and that's exactly what I've done. So now all of the grid pieces have positions. So this is like 1 1, 2 1, 3 1, and then it goes along the Y as well, 5 2, 3 3, 3 4, etc. So it goes X and Y. Of course, there's a little bit more time to set up, but at the very least, everything is in place, and it requires absolutely no tracing and just a little bit of storing vectors here and there. So that is great. So the grid system works perfectly at the moment. I've done another tiny little vid showing just some examples of using it for combat, which I've deleted all that code right now because it was completely testing wise, so I can't show it off. But what I can show off is that, just quickly. So when the player enters, I've now set it up so that the player can only move on their turn, as well as long as combat is available. As you can see in the top left corner, it says the current turn player, and of course I can move around. So I can control the turn order from the game mode combat manager, which is right now it will go player, companion, enemy. The reason I've done this is, as opposed to like a traditional kind of thing where it goes off of like a stat like agility or something like that, is because I am going to have these customizable to the player. Again, this is going to be something that will be explained by gameplay in game, but eventually, like, you might be able to unlock a skill where you can choose who goes first. If you want the enemy to go first, by all means, you can do that. So I'm choosing this system over a traditional kind of thing. I think it's going to be interesting because my game plays into the theme of chronomancy and manipulating time and things like that. So I believe this does fit that theme perfectly. It can be tested, of course. So right now, turn order 1 is player, second will be the companions, and then the third will be the enemies. So if I set, like, just example, I set the first phase to be enemy. Yep. So when combat starts, it is current turn enemy. I can no longer move. And then combat ends, and I can move again. So yeah, so that is right now it's starting to mold together into the system. You can probably kind of see. So I've just done a couple of checks on when you click a piece. Obviously, it checks if the combat's available, is it the player's turn, and then it checks if the piece is available. So nobody is standing in it, and it is also available to be moved into. So these are just small functions using interfaces just to get the current state of the piece. That's testing code. Oh yeah, so that's testing code. So right now it's just getting all the actors in the class and then adding it to a grid pairing. The grid pairing is literally a dictionary, a map, which is, it pairs a grid position to the board piece. So that's all I've done for that one. It's absolutely simple. Of course, this won't be this in the future. I'll be making a much more efficient way because I hate this get all actors of class. Even if it's only used once, I don't like doing it. It's just a bad habit from just habit, I guess. So yeah, this is this kind of system set up. Turn order interface. Just checking to see if I've quickly missed anything. I don't think I have. But yeah. So in the top corner in combat, you can see that it says time points. time points is pretty much action points, as you know, in the traditional sense. So my next step from here is to calculate the movement cost of like how much time points from here to here, how much time points here to here. Ideally, it'll be 1 time point per cube, or action point per cube. So if you want to move here, it'll be should be 1, I think. I think I'm going to count directionals as 1, and then 1, and then like here it'd be, sorry, like here it'd be 2, 3, etc. My plan for the gameplay is the characters start out weak. They might only have like 2 or 3 time points to start out with, and then you can upgrade as the story goes along and upgrade up to like maybe 10 time points, etc. That adds another element to the gameplay systems, which is quite nice. So yeah, so I can store this as a prefab, I can expand it, this grid system, and then use it in the future. Thank you.